Indriya, Aditya Birla Jewelry, enters Karnataka with its first store in Bangalore. Bangalore, 4th October 2025, the Silicon City of India, a vibrant blend of innovation and tradition, now sparkles with a new touch of elegance. Indriya, Aditya Birla Jewelry, brings its timeless craftsmanship to Namma Bangalore with the launch of its first store in Hebbal. Located in Mall of Asia, Hebbal, the store features thoughtfully designed spaces such as a dedicated Karigari room. Bangalore, a city known for its captivating blend of traditional South Indian temple jewelry and modern, cosmopolitan designs, reflects the brand's own harmony of modern design and heritage artistry. With a curated selection of over 5,000 exclusive designs and more than 20,000 meticulously crafted jewelry pieces, the Bangalore store brings together the finesse of age-old craftsmanship with contemporary design. With this launch, Indriya's presence expands to 32 stores across India. The brand now has 6 stores in Delhi, 4 in Hyderabad, 3 each in Mumbai and Pune, 2 each in Ahmedabad, Jaipur, and Patna, and 1 store each in Indore, Jodhpur, Surat, Vijayawada, Bhubaneswar, Lucknow, Prayagraj, Kanpur, Bangalore and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This growing footprint reflects Indriya's commitment to making exquisitely crafted jewelry accessible to customers nationwide while strengthening its position as a destination for timeless craftsmanship and contemporary elegance. Mr. Sandeep Kohli, CEO, Indriya, said, "We are excited to enter Bangalore, a city known for its lively spirit and fusion of tradition with innovation. Designed for those who appreciate elegance with a contemporary touch, Indriya remains committed to celebrating craftsmanship that honors heritage while embracing modern design. We are proud to be part of Bangaluru's vibrant jewelry market and look forward to providing our customers with an exceptional and personalized shopping experience." The trusted legacy of the Aditya Birla Group now makes its debut in Karnataka with the launch of Indriya's first store in Bangalore, one of India's most active and cosmopolitan cities. About Indriya. Indriya, the jewelry brand from Aditya Birla Group, was launched in July 2024. Derived from the Sanskrit word for 5 senses, Indriya embodies timeless elegance, unmatched craftsmanship, and a captivating sensorial experience. With an exquisite range of diamonds, precious gemstones, and artisanal gold, the brand offers jewelry that transcends traditional artistry and modern aesthetics. Indriya stores are more than just a jewelry store, it is the ultimate destination for bridal collection and celebrations of life's most cherished moments. For brides-to-be, Indriya is a treasure trove of meticulously designed wedding jewelry, where each piece is a timeless heirloom, seamlessly blending tradition with modernity, ensuring every bride feels radiant on her special day. Beyond weddings, Indriya redefines jewelry.
Namaskaram. My name is Sandeep Kohli, and I am the CEO of Novel Jewels, which is launching the brand Indriya Jewelry, Aditya Birla Jewelry in Bangalore. Our first store in Karnataka and our first store in Bangalore. With me is Mr. Gaur, Director of the Aditya Birla Group, and I am honored that he is here with us as we launch our first store in Karnataka. Indriya has now been about a 1-year-old brand. We have got very good response from all over India, and we were waiting to come to Bangalore, one of the favorite cities of most of the people who work in our organization. So we are very happy to be here to open our first store. In our store, you will find more than 20,000 designs. Indriya has more than 20,000 designs to offer to consumers. We have, during the festive period, some of the best schemes and also some of the best discounts to make people try our brand for the first time. So the love that we have spread to the rest of the country, we are very glad to come and spread this endless love, even in Bangalore. Like we say in our brand, Dil Abhi Bhara Nahi. So Dil Abhi Bhara Nahi hai, and we will be opening many more stores in Bangalore also.
But just like Bangalore is a very important market for us. This is just the first store. Bangalore is the second biggest market in the country. So we have big plans for Bangalore, and I am very happy And Indria is built on a very distinct platform of designs and customer service and customer experience. Now I can promise the Bangalore, Nama Bangalore people, they have a great experience waiting in Indria.
सर कोई एक्सपेंशन प्लान सर कुछ प्लान्स
We might be adding 4 to 5 stores in near future, Bangalore, across the country.